Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of business PowerPoint templates, your ultimate toolkit for managing, planning, and presenting with ease. Running a business is tough, but crafted templates can simplify every step from planning to pitching with precision and clarity. Whether you're building a roadmap, creating a pitch, or organizing your workflow, there's a template for every business need. So, let's break them down by category and find the perfect fit for your next project. Planning templates first up. Planning templates. A solid plan is the foundation of any successful business. OKR templates help you define and track objectives and key results. A must-have for aligning your team with your goals. Action plan templates are your go-to for breaking down tasks and assigning responsibilities with clarity. Business roadmap templates provide a visual guide to your strategy, ensuring everyone stays on the same page. These templates don't just make planning easier, they make it effective. Analysis templates next. Let's talk about analysis templates, because every great decision starts with insights. SWOT analysis templates use SWOT analysis templates to evaluate strengths, weaknesses, or market. Fishbone diagram templates got a complex problem to solve? Fishbone diagram templates can help you map out causes and effects. KPI dashboard templates, and if tracking performance is your thing, KPI dashboard templates turn raw data into actionable visuals. These tools help you see the bigger picture and make data-driven decisions. Strategy templates now. Let's level up with strategy templates. Strategic plan templates outline your vision, goals, and tactics for success. Marketing strategy templates help you map out campaigns that resonate with your audience. Business growth templates, and if you're focusing on expansion, business growth templates are perfect for showcasing your next big move. Strategy is where the magic happens, and these templates make it easy to communicate your plans with confidence. Presentation and pitch templates ready to impress. Business proposal templates make crafting persuasive proposals a breeze. Startup pitch decks. If you're a startup founder, you'll love startup pitch decks, designed to capture investor attention. Investor pitch templates. Speaking of investors, investor pitch templates help you highlight key metrics and secure funding with style. With these templates, your ideas will shine brighter than ever. Organizational templates. Finally, let's talk about organization, because a well-structured team is productive. Mind map templates are perfect for brainstorming and visualizing ideas. Organizational chart templates keep your team hierarchy clear with organizational chart templates. Workflow and process templates for tracking workflows. Workflow and process templates streamline even the most complex processes. These templates bring order to chaos, helping your business run smoothly. That was a lot to cover, but hopefully, you've found the perfect template to simplify your business tasks. Check out the links in the description for some amazing resources and templates. And don't forget to use the code SLIDE10 for 10% off your purchase. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tricks. See you in the next video.